Hi guys, this is Larissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here. I'm excited to share with you a setup that I am going to be doing for a challenge that Myra of Myra Pleasant. She is currently doing an Improve Your Print challenge every month. And so for this month, she is including a challenge where we're writing out the Instagram handle of our fellow planner bake friends. And I'm even included on that list. So shout out to Myra. Thank you so much. I'm going to link her Instagram down below in case you are not following her yet. She is an absolutely wonderful planner based friend and just doing a lot within our community. And so she is a good person to check out if you have not visit her Instagram or YouTube channel yet. And then in addition to that, I'm also doing a special spread utilizing the color purple in honor of a fellow planner babe. Her name is Gwen, and her handle is purple_diva66. She passed away in January. Diamond DMP lifestyle, and I'll post her Instagram handle down below as well. Helped us to create a way to honor Gwen, and she is having us to do a spread with the color purple in there. And I believe Gwen also loved butterflies, so I'm gonna incorporate some butterflies as well into this spread. But basically this is going to be some journaling pages that I have from Happy Planner, and I'm going to utilize some Simply Gilded washi tape. I haven't figured out which one yet, but it incorporates some purple, or I have this one with a lavender kind of look to it. It flows into some pink. I haven't decided yet what I want, and I also have some other ones, so I'm gonna see which ones I decide to use. And then I have some doll stickers that I think will work well with some of the purple and blues and pinks. So I'm still trying to figure that out. I may even pull out a different doll once I get everything down. And then I'm also going to use this sticker book that was gifted to me by Piece of the Plans. We did a collaboration where we gifted each other gifts over a 12-day period in December, and I will link down that playlist if you haven't seen that yet. There's a group of planner babe friends. I know at least a few who said they were inspired to make for sure they shop their stash, and then also put in some new items into a gift exchange that will be taking place all year long. So if you're looking for ways of maybe gifting someone out of your stash, or creative ideas on how to purchase some gifts in thought of another person that you would like to give, check out that playlist as well, and it will also link you back to Cam of Piece of the Plans. So I'm going to use these, and then I also have some stickers that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. These are stickable stickers from the Paper Studio brand. It's really cute. I love glitter, so it has a little bit of this lavender pink kind of color mixed in there, so I thought that would be pretty to include. And I'm going to use these pages to do the Improve Your Print challenge by Myra Pleasant. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to where I'm setting up my pages. I probably will fast forward through and do a voiceover, or it may be a silent video. I don't know, but I just want to tell each and every person that is a part of this planner community, that has subscribed to my channel, that has followed me on IG, which I will list down below. Any newbies to my channel, I just want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you. And I really am thankful to be a part of this community, especially during a season where social distancing has really impacted how we have um, been able to keep in touch with people. And having the planner community through virtual means has really helped to ease the pain of social distancing. Not that it has replaced it, but have that niche and that community has been very vital to being able to get through this hardship of social distancing. So thank you. Hearts out to you. And now let's get going on this setup. Thank you. Okay, guys, so here is what the pages look like, all decorated. This is definitely different for me. I love using florals, but the colors of these florals are very unique for me. And I like the way it turned out, even up against the gold foil on the Simply Gilded washi tape, because to me, these are more like cool tones, but I still like the contrast of this particular gold up against that. It worked out for me. And at first I wasn't gonna put this doll because I thought, but I'm like, she was a planner babe, so we gotta use a planner doll, okay? And so I love the way that this pink pops up off of the purple and the blues and the greens, and yeah. And I love this part because, this sort of reminds me when I was at the park with my goddaughter, and there was like bushes along the area that we were in, and there were just butterflies flying in and out of that particular bush, and I just thought that was so pretty. So I thought it would be pretty to add in like a lot of flowers, like a bushel of flowers with the butterflies flying in and out. And then I just used the corner florals, which I like that she includes, and I just put a couple of butterflies here and there on that. So I really like this. It's very different for me. My go-to is pinks and corals and red. Those are my colors, you know, but I've been pushing myself to get out of using just those colors, and so I'm really proud of myself, and I really love the way that this came together. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this throughout the month of February because this is a 30-day challenge to improve your print. And so I will be looking at this quite often throughout the month, and it will also give me time to reflect about my planner community, pray over my planner community, and just remember how important and vital it is that we celebrate one another and not take each other for granted just because we're talking through electronic means, you know. So I hope that you enjoy this. I hope that if you have planner friends who have, not even if they have passed away, but maybe you just want to honor a planner friend within your planner. It's not something that you have to post about or, you know, or anything like that, but maybe you might want to put a spread together and just, you know, give gratitude for people who are in your life that have spoken life to you, have encouraged you, and added value to your life. This is just a wonderful way of doing that, and I look forward to doing more of this, just to celebrate people who are in my life. So thank you so much for joining me. I do have the links for Goat Mine and Coco, which is where I got the doll, as well as Simply Gilded if you like to have like a discount code to make your purchases. And then I will link all of the fellow planner babes that I mentioned today in this video down below to go ahead and check them out if you're not familiar with them. Follow them, subscribe to their channel, and yeah. So thank you so much for joining me. By the way, don't forget to like my channel or this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you in advance. And comment down below if you are, how do you think about this kind of journal entry? Whether it's about improving your handwriting or honoring a fellow planner babe, or just someone who is that means a lot to you. Thank you so much for joining me. Until the next time, bye-bye.